Welcome, my friend. I'm so glad you've joined me tonight for this guided chakra balance meditation for sleep and healing. Right now, you're stepping into a safe, quiet space where nothing is demanded of you except to rest and receive. The world can wait. For now, it's just you, your breath, and the journey inward. In this session, we'll gently open and align the 7 chakras from root to crown. This chakra healing meditation will help you release stress and blocked energy and prepare your body and mind for deep restorative sleep. Think of it as clearing the pathways of your inner energy, allowing peace, clarity, and calm to flow through you again. One of my students once told me I never realized how much lighter I could feel until I aligned my chakras before sleep. That's what I want for you tonight. Lightness, balance, and a sense of coming home to yourself. So settle in. Allow your body to soften, your breath to slow. You are safe here. You are loved here. And through this chakra balance sleep meditation, you'll return to peace, wholeness, and deep rest. Let's begin with the breath. Take a slow, gentle inhale through the nose and a soft exhale through the mouth. Again, breathing in and out. Feel the rhythm steady you. Each breath is like an anchor holding you safe in this present moment. Now, bring your awareness down to the base of your spine. This is your root chakra, the foundation of grounding safety and stability. Imagine a warm red glow here, like the steady earth beneath your feet. With each inhale, you draw in strength. With each exhale, you release fear, tension, and the weight of the day. This simple rhythm of breath is more than relaxation. This is chakra healing meditation in its purest form, clearing space, opening energy flow, preparing your body and mind for balance and deep rest. So breathe, and notice how your whole body feels heavier, calmer, more grounded. This guided meditation for chakra balance is the first step of your journey tonight, leading you gently toward healing, wholeness, and deep sleep. Now that you feel rooted and safe, let's gently rise upward. Just below the navel lies your sacral chakra, the center of creativity, emotions, and flow. Take a slow breath in and imagine a soft orange light glowing here. With each inhale, the glow becomes warmer. With each exhale, you release emotional tension, old stories, unspoken feelings, the weight you've carried for too long. Many of my students have told me that when they first connected with this chakra, they realized how much emotion had been stored in their body. Maybe you notice the same, a subtle release, a quiet softening, a gentle freedom. Now let's move a little higher to the space just above your stomach, your solar plexus chakra. Here lives your inner fire, your confidence, your personal power. Picture a radiant golden sun shining at your core. Feel its warmth spreading through your body, reminding you with every breath you are strong. You are capable. You are worthy. This is more than imagination. This is chakra healing meditation in action. By balancing the sacral and solar plexus chakras, you invite creativity, self-trust, and flow, while releasing anxiety, doubt, and stress that often keep the mind restless at night. So breathe into this golden light. Let it fill every corner of your being. Notice how your emotions calm, your energy balances, and your whole body relaxes more deeply, preparing you for the journey into the heart. Now, bring your awareness gently into the center of your chest. Here lies your heart chakra, the home of love, compassion, and deep healing. Take a slow inhale and imagine a soft green light glowing in your heart. With each breath in, the light expands warm and steady. With each breath out, it releases the heaviness you've been carrying, the grief, the disappointments, the silent weight that has lived here for too long. One of my students, a woman in her 50s, once told me, "I didn't realize how much I had closed my heart until meditation showed me how to open it again." Maybe you felt that too. Tonight, allow yourself to soften. You are safe here. Safe to love. Safe to be loved. Now let that green light gently rise into your throat. Your throat chakra, the energy center of your voice, your truth, your expression. Picture a sky blue glow here, like a clear morning sky. As you inhale, the blue light expands, clearing the way for honesty and ease. As you exhale, any fear of judgment, any words left unspoken, dissolve into the air. When the heart chakra is open, love flows freely. When the throat chakra is balanced, truth flows without resistance. Together they weave harmony, compassion, and authentic connection. So breathe into this balance. Let the green and blue lights dance together, heart and voice, compassion and truth. Notice how peaceful your body feels, how calm your mind becomes, how ready you are to rest, to let go, and to trust this journey. Now, gently bring your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. This is your third eye chakra, the center of intuition, inner clarity, and vision. Imagine a deep indigo light glowing here. With every inhale, it becomes brighter. With every exhale, the fog of confusion gently lifts away. I often remind my students, the third eye does not look outward. It looks inward to the truth that's always been within you. Have you ever had those moments where you just knew something even without logic or proof? That quiet knowing, that is your intuition. And tonight, through this third eye meditation, you are giving that wisdom space to awaken. Now let this indigo light rise upward to the very crown of your head. Here rests your crown chakra, your connection to higher purpose, to divine energy, to something greater than yourself. Picture a soft violet-white glow, like starlight resting on your crown. Breathe into it. Feel yourself opening to peace, to guidance, to a sense of being deeply supported. You don't need to chase answers anymore. When the crown is open, answers arrive with ease, like whispers from the universe. As your third eye chakra awakens, your inner vision clears. As your crown chakra balances, your soul feels aligned, whole, and at rest. This is the gift of chakra alignment, a calm mind, an open heart, and a body ready for deep, healing sleep. So stay here for a moment, bathed in indigo and violet light, resting in stillness held by the energy of the universe itself. So ready to drift into peace, renewal, and healing. Now, you've balanced your chakras. Your energy is flowing freely. Your mind is calm, steady, and at peace. This is the moment to let go completely. There's nothing left to do. No task unfinished. No worry to solve. Only rest. Only healing. Imagine you are lying on soft earth. A gentle night sky above you, filled with stars. Each star whispers safety. Each glow reminds you you belong here. You are held. You are safe. With every breath, feel your body grow heavier, like a stone sinking into warm sand. Safe, supported, unshakable. This is your guided meditation for chakra healing sleep. This is where true restoration begins. One of my students once told me, when I finally allowed myself to rest, I realized sleep was not an escape. It was a return home. And tonight you too are returning home. Every chakra is balanced. Every cell, every organ, every thought is preparing to repair, to release, to renew. So let the rhythm of your breath guide you. Inhale peace. Exhale release. Inhale safety. Exhale surrender. You don't have to hold anything now. You don't have to try. Just rest. Just be. Sleep will come gently, naturally, and carry you into deep, healing stillness. Now, it's time to drift fully into sleep. This is your guided sleep countdown meditation, a gentle path into deep rest and healing. I'll count from 10 down to 1, and with each number, you'll sink deeper, softer, safer, into peace. 10. Your body is heavy, calm, grounded. 9. The last bits of tension melt away. 8. Your thoughts drift distant, like soft echoes, fading. 7. breathing slow, steady, peaceful. 6. You are safe. You are loved. You are free. 5. Every breath carries you deeper into chakra healing sleep. 4. Your body feels weightless, floating in stillness. 3. Deeper, deeper, nothing to hold on to. 2. Wrapped in silence, cradled by peace. 1. You are asleep. Your mind is clear. Your body is healing. Your spirit is whole. This is your time to fall asleep fast, to let the night carry you, to surrender completely, to deep, peaceful rest. There are no more words needed now. Only the rhythm of your breath and the gentle music carrying you into deep sleep meditation. You are safe. You are loved. You are free to rest. Let the music hold you now. As you drift into deep, restorative sleep, allow your body to heal, your mind to quiet, your spirit to renew. This is your guided meditation fade out. Your return to peace, stillness, and wholeness. Good night.